Here's my current wood storage system. I based it off one of Steve Ramsey's plans. While it's a great design, it takes up too much space in my shop. Each frame can be made with 2.5 2x4s. This makes this a very cost-effective design, as each frame costs around $12. One 2x4 for the two 40-inch pieces, another makes the 36-inch and three 20-inch links. The 32 and 12 can then be taken from another board, leaving you with approximately 52 inches to make another frame piece out of. After cutting each piece, I marked them with chalk to help with assembly. Here you can see all the pieces cut to length. With all the pieces cut, I started the frame assembly by laying each piece and marking where I needed to drill pocket holes. A lot of pocket holes. Next, I repeated laying out the frame and used pocket hole screws to secure them. This went relatively quickly. However, even the best planning does not go as planned. There are a few places I forgot to drill and had to bring the jig over to complete this. I then used the 12-inch pieces for spacers to make the 3 shelves. Here is one of the completed frames that I have, with 3 shelves and a space in the back for plywood.
First, I apologize for the audio quality. The battery died in my microphone, so this is what it is until I get another 9-volt. I did want to go over this real quickly, just to show you what I've done, because I didn't get a chance to take a video of this, basically just forgot. I measured in between here for my miter saw, because I'm going to make this my miter saw station as well, on top of my lumber cart. So I measured in between here, and that's pretty much what I've done. So I ended up having to make 4 of these frames so that I could have a part for the miter saw, but that's pretty much it. So let's continue on. Thanks.
Yet again, I forgot to record video of some of the assembly. However, it's pretty straightforward. I used 3/4-inch plywood for the tops and B-board for the front. After this, I gave it a fresh coat of black paint. Cutting out the letters went fast and easy. I got my wife, my design artist, to take the logo and make each letter as large as we could fit on a normal 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Printing these out and use these as templates. Then I taped off each piece with frog tape. As prior to this, I painted the outside white to give the letters more definition. After this had dried, I painted the outside the closest green I could find that fit the logo. After the paint had dried again, I brad nailed all the letters to the workbench. I'm glad to say we're finally done, and here's the completed project.